How to prepare and crack Assam Direct Recruitment Commission Class 3 recruitment. Hello, job seekers. Welcome to this informative guide on the Assam Direct Recruitment Commission Class 3 recruitment. If you're ready to embark on a journey towards a rewarding career, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the ADC Class 3 recruitment. Assam Direct Recruitment Commission has announced notification for the recruitment of Class 3 on direct recruitment basis. Those candidates who are interested in the vacancy details and completed all eligibility criteria can watch this video and apply online. Let's dive into the details of the Assam Direct Recruitment Commission and the exciting opportunities it presents. First things first, what is the Assam Direct Recruitment Commission Class 3 recruitment? This recruitment drive offers numerous opportunities for individuals seeking Class 3 positions in various departments of the Assam government. Eligibility criteria. Before you set your sights on a new career path, understand the eligibility criteria. Educational qualifications, age limits, and any specific requirements vary by position. Always refer to the official notification for accurate details. Age limit. Minimum age limit, 18 years. Maximum age limit, 40 years. Age relaxation is applicable as per rules. Qualification. Candidates should possess HSLC, HSSLC diploma, degree in relevant discipline. Category 1, Bachelor degree level, Bachelor's degree. Bachelor's degree with computer certificate, diploma of minimum 6 months duration from a recognized institute. Bachelor's degree with computer certificate, diploma of minimum 6 months duration in stenography certificate from recognized institute. Bachelor's degree in library science with computer certificate, diploma of minimum 6 months duration from a recognized institute. Category 2, HSSLC level, HSSLC or equivalent examination passed. HSSLC, Science, examination passed. Category 3, HSSLC level, HSLC or equivalent examination passed with valid LMV driving license. Application fee. There will be no application fee for all the categories of candidates. Candidates are not required to pay any application fee for submission of their online applications. How to apply? Ready to take the first step? The application process is crucial. We'll walk you through the steps to ensure a seamless and successful submission of your application. Attention to detail is key. Step 1. Go to the official website and click on the Careers section. Step 2. Find the link Assam Class 4 or 3 Recruitment and fill in all the necessary details like name, father's name, address, educational qualification, etc. Step 3. Attach the required documents like SSC certificate, category certificate, etc. Step 4. Upload your recent passport size photograph. You can use the textbook cropping tool which helps you to upload your image and signature in specific dimensions. Step 5. Pay the required fees and click on the Submit button. Step 6. Download and take a printout of the application form for future reference. Exam pattern. For Grade 3, HSLC or equivalent level posts. Total number of questions is 100. All the questions are multiple choice questions. Marks per question is 1.5, that means each question carry 1.5 marks. The duration of the examination is 2 hours. There is no negative mark in this examination. For Grade 3, Graduate with computer diploma level posts. Total number of questions is 100. All the questions are multiple choice questions. Marks per question is 1.75, that means each question carry 1.75 marks. The duration of the examination is 2 hours. There is no negative mark in this examination. Syllabus. For HSLC or equivalent level posts. Social Studies or Social Science, General Knowledge. General Mathematics, Class 10th Standard, Mental Ability and Logical Reasoning, General English. For graduate and graduate with computer diploma level posts. social studies or social science, general knowledge. Logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, reading comprehension and language. General mathematics, class 10th standard, general English. Preparation tips. Now, let's talk preparation. From creating a study plan to utilizing the right study materials, we'll provide practical tips to help you prepare effectively and confidently for the ADC Class 3 recruitment. Understand the syllabus and exam pattern. Start by thoroughly understanding the Assam Direct Recruitment Commission Class 3 recruitment syllabus and exam pattern. This will help you identify the key topics and allocate your time wisely. Create a study plan. Develop a detailed study plan that covers all subjects and topics. Allocate specific time slots for each subject and make sure to include breaks for relaxation. Collect study materials. Gather all the necessary study materials, including textbooks, reference books, previous year's question papers, and online resources. Ensure that your study materials are up to date. Practice previous year's papers. Solve previous year's question papers and sample papers to get a sense of the exam's difficulty level and question patterns. This will also help you manage time during the actual exam. Take mock tests. Enroll in mock test series or practice tests available online. Mock tests simulate the real exam environment and help you evaluate your progress. Analyze your performance after each test to identify areas that need improvement. Focus on weak areas. Identify your weak areas and allocate more time for their preparation. Seek help from teachers, mentors, or online tutorials if needed. Time management. Develop effective time management skills. Divide your study time wisely among different subjects and topics. Practice time-bound tests to improve your speed and accuracy. Stay updated. Keep yourself updated with current affairs and the latest news, especially in the areas of national and international importance. This is crucial for the general studies section. Revision. Regularly revise the topics you've covered. Create concise notes that highlight key points for quick revision before the exam. Healthy lifestyle. Maintain a healthy lifestyle with proper nutrition, exercise, and sleep. A healthy body and mind are essential for effective studying. Stay motivated. Stay motivated throughout your preparation journey. Set small achievable goals and reward yourself when you achieve them. Surround yourself with positive influences. Stay calm during the exam. On the day of the exam, stay calm and focused. Read the questions carefully and manage your time wisely. Don't spend too much time on a single question. Follow exam instructions. Follow all the instructions provided by the exam authorities, including the use of rough sheets and calculators if allowed. Believe in yourself. Have confidence in your abilities and believe that you can crack the Assam Direct Recruitment Commission Class 3 recruitment exam. A positive mindset can make a significant difference. Seek guidance. If you face difficulties in any subject or topic, don't hesitate to seek guidance from teachers or mentors. Joining a coaching institute may also be beneficial. Reference books. General Studies Manual for Assam Civil Service Examination. General Knowledge by Manohar Pandey, An Introduction to Assam General Knowledge. Assam Yearbook 2022. Kiran SSC English Language Chapter-wise Solved Papers. General Quantitative Aptitude for Competitive Exams. A New Approach to Reasoning Verbal and Non-Verbal. English Reading Comprehension. NCERT Mathematics Class 6 to 10. And there you have it, your guide to the Assam Direct Recruitment Commission Class 3 recruitment. As you embark on this journey, remember that dedication, preparation, and resilience are your best allies. For more details and updates, visit the official Assam Direct Recruitment Commission website. Follow us on social media for additional tips and announcements. Best of luck on your journey to securing a Class 3 position with the ADC. Your new career awaits.